It's that time of year again, holiday season. And as you can imagine, things are starting to get pretty busy around here. Winter's here and everybody needs the Flexseal family of products to seal and protect their home. Ho, ho, ho! And away we go! Hi, Phil Swift here for the Flexseal family of products. I'm here to remind everybody that Flexseal makes Flextastic gifts that can protect your home all winter long. Flexseal is the easy way to stop leaks fast and to patch, bond, seal, and repair. Well, it looks like my work here is done. Only 57 million more houses to go. I'm gonna need some coffee. A lot of coffee. Eat doggy! The Flexseal family of products, because it works.